What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Second Accord, and I just want to do a very quick video showing it's a charger for the Galaxy Tab Plus. Anybody that has the Galaxy Tab 7.0 Plus knows about this ridiculously short cord. Here's the one that came with it. Um, this is like a 2-3 foot cord at the max. With this cord, you probably won't be able to actually use the tablet while it's plugged in because it's so short. So I went on Amazon. I actually got this cord a while ago, but I got a 6 foot cord. And it looks pretty much identical to the Samsung one. Only difference is Samsung has their name on it, and this one doesn't. They're pretty much an identical fit. The thickness of the cord, the cheap one's a little bit thinner, but you can barely tell. It was maybe $8 or $9. Only downfall is that with this long cord, the tab charges a lot slower. So if you have this cord, running the 10 foot cords or the 6 foot cords, be prepared for your tablet to charge slower. With the Samsung cord, I can plug it in, get it charged up in maybe 3.5 hours. That's if it's all the way dead. With this thing, I've taken it from 0, and it seems like 5 hours in, I'm at like 80%, 90%. So it does take longer to charge, but the advantages is this cord is twice as long as the stock one. Stock one is folded once. This one's folded twice. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give a thumbs up. Second Accord, I'm out.